Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy. I like to talk about makeup panning, and things going on in my real life. Today I have my December update for 50 Shades of Green. So if this is something you're interested in, then stay tuned. Alright, this is 50 Shades of Green. It is a Fantastic Ladies collab group project. It was created by Jessica, Amanda, and Cece originally, and this year's color of green was voted on by the members of the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group. And it is all about using up products that have green somehow in the color of the product, the color of the packaging, in the name, in the description, in the scent, in the ingredients, something green. It started on April 15th of 2022 and ends on April 15th of 2023. I have been doing this rolling style, bringing in new products gradually because I could not round up 50 products all at once if I even tried. So let's get to recapping what I'm working on. I'm just going to show you the products that I have used over the last month, and I have a couple new things to bring in. So the first thing on my list is from Not Your Mother's. It is the matcha green, I don't know, matcha green tea and wild apple blossom old conditioner. I'm down here. Over the last month, into a travel size, so that brings me, I didn't do the math, but I'm still using it. I'll have you total uses for you next month because I'm not going to stop and count it right now, but it's over 20. So that is continuing to get used. My next product is All But Botanicals Very Emollient Coconut Lime Shave Cream. I've used it once this month. It's been a slow month. I've been sick for like 3 weeks, so... Well, I wasn't sick for 3 weeks. I was pet sitting for 3 weeks, but I was sick for part of that time. So I only used it once, and yeah, I don't have a total use on that. Last time we were right about here, and I'm sure there wasn't enough usage to make a difference. I did not use any of my eyeshadows this month, so I'm not going to be talking about those. I used my nail polish remover only twice because I was sick. I wasn't doing my nails, so... also I've been trying to hold off because we're on the bottom, but the color I used to mark it is very odd, but we're right down there. Probably 1 or 2 more uses and that will be empty, so we're getting really close on that one. Next up is nail polish, and I finally got another use out of this Law Beauty Essentials Net Worth How Much. I brings my total uses on this product to 4 out of 10. When I brought it into the project, we were right here at the top of the glass, and I think shining a light in it today, we are down here, but I'm not quite sure. So some progress on that. I am wearing it today, but it is underneath a topper shade, and it is only on part of my nails. I think it's on these 2 fingers and these fingers here. Surprisingly, the other nails are a deep red, and when I put the topper on, they all turn the same color. So, go figure. Yeah, but they are on there today. And yeah, so that is 4 uses on that one. Next is my Mint Julep Clay Mask from Queen Helene's. I used it once this month, and I don't think there was enough of a change. We were right here last month, and I can't really squeeze much more. So 1 use, not going to see much difference on that. That one has a total of 5 uses so far, because I've used it only like once or twice a month. I can count those tallies really quick. I'm going to breeze through this month's update. Next is from Pacifica's Enchanted Woods Perfume. This little guy here. And I did not make a new mark, but last month we were right there. We brought it into the project. We were all the way up here. So we've made quite a bit of progress. I've only used it once this month, bringing me to 17 uses so far in the project. And then we have my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I have used it 20 times over the last month, including what was decanted in a travel bottle. And we are down to here. Again, sorry, the color I used does not show up very well. A green Sharpie, surprisingly, isn't very noticeable, but we are down to there. So I'd say maybe 2 more months. If I do regular skincare, we should have that done. Because I was sick, I didn't do my skincare as much. I didn't really want to do much of anything. So, yep, that would bring it to 90 uses in this project so far for that one. Next up, I have my Arctic Fox hair color in Enchanted Forest, I believe. I did use it once this month. Not that you can really tell, but I did. So it's an opaque packaging, so you're not going to see any progress, but I did use it once. And then my last product is my hemp lotion in fresh coconut and watermelon. We brought it in, it was full. I have not been keeping track of uses because I just use it as a hand lotion whenever I can, and I forget to record that. It is sticking to the walls, so it looks like it's up here, but really we're down here. So this should be done by the next update. That is everything I'm working on currently. And now that is 25 products, and today I'm going to bring in 3 more products. The first one is this bag of bath bombs from Simple Truth. Great big green logo there. It is not a full bag of bath bombs. There were 6 bath bombs in here originally, and now there are 2 bath bombs left. So these 2 bath bombs I will be using up because, you know, yeah, 2 bath bombs to use up from this. They are oat and shea butter. So those are coming in to use up. And then next I have this cleansing balm from Refreshments. It has a green, can you see it? It is green. It is green and blue packaging. The package itself I don't think has any green on it, but the box it came in does. So yeah, it has a pink package, but the box it came in is green. And yeah, this does, oh, I'm like, this has no smell. Yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything. I don't know why I thought it would, but yeah, so that is bringing that in for the box, and I will be using that up. That is the facial cleansing balm from Refreshments. And then lastly, I'm going to bring in this face palette from Ace Beauté. It has beautiful green leaves all over it. This is brand new to my collection, and I have not had a chance to play with it. And let me see if I can hold this up so I don't blind you. There we go. I am going to bring it in for No Pan Left Behind and try and get a little bit of use out of this palette. It does have 2 purple shades, some pinks, 2 greens, and more pinks and burgundy shades on the top. And yeah, I'm looking forward to playing with this palette. It is brand new, like I said, and No Pan Left Behind. I have enough eyeshadows going on right now that this will take me a little while, even though there are only 10 eyeshadows in here. But yeah, so I'm bringing that in for No Pan Left Behind. And that is everything for this month's update. I hope you enjoyed it. It was short and sweet and to the point, because I don't want to sit here talking all day and irritating my throat. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my content and you're not already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. I am trying to reach 100 subscribers. And while you're there, go ahead and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video or post on my community page. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, be true to you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!